Hello guys! Welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to earn money on Kik. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So I'll discuss all the methods on how you can earn money from Kik. So without further delay, let's begin the video. So first of all, we are here already on Kik.com, and then just simply log into your account, and once you log in, tap on your avatar on the top right corner of the screen, then go to Settings. Now tap on the option Achievements. Then, as you can see, there are various ways on how you can earn money from Kik. So the first one is definitely through subscription. So to enable subscription, you'll have to meet two requirements. So the requirements are reach of total of 75 followers and stream for total of 5 hours. Now, once you've complete both of them, you can enable subscription on Kik. Let me also tell you the stats as how much you will earn if you enable subscription. So if you were to stream on Kik, you would get around $250 for every 100 subs. But in case of Kik, it's ways higher than that. So on average, you will gain around $474 for every 100 subs you get on Kik. So that is one way on how you can earn from Kik. Now, partners, the second method to earn money is simply becoming partner with Kik. Now, to become a partner with Kik, you'll have to meet the following requirements such as your account must have a confirmed phone number, you must have two-factor authentication enabled in your account, you must reach a total of 20 subscribers in the last 30 days, and remember, gifted subs are not included. You must reach an average of 75 viewers in the last 30 days. You must stream for a total of 12 days in the last 30 days. Similarly, you'll have to stream for a total of 30 hours in the last 30 days. And you also must have 300 unique chatters in the last 30 days. Now, once you breach all of this qualification, over here, simply send an email to this email address right here, which is partners@kik.com. And then you'll have successfully partnered up with Kik now. So that is early. And another way on how you can earn money from Kik, there is also various articles in this topic with the rate of 16 per hour to be paid by Kik on Talent a weekly basis, and it will be detailed on the next video tutorial. So that's it on how you can earn money from Kik. So I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!